Hi, I'm Christie from Christie Doran Racing, and today we've been taking the Zenos E10S out around Edinburgh and Peebles. So the Zenos E10S is built for using on the track and for the road, which is pretty cool. The Zenos range starts at just under £25,000, but the E10S is £30,000, so that's a really good price for a car of this performance. It goes 0 to 60 in just 4 seconds and goes up to 145 miles an hour. So I've taken the Zenos out on the track before. It's absolutely brilliant because it's got the speed for the straight lines and it handles really well with loads of grip around the corners, but it's great because you can take it down on the roads as well, and it's good on the roads because it handles really well around bends. It's got good braking so you can stop for any hazards or whatnot, but no, it's a really good car all in all. So when someone says track car to me, that kind of goes towards the coaching side of things. So that would say I would want something that was easier to drive and really easy to learn in. So this would be a really good car for that sort of purpose as well. So yeah, it's been a really good day driving the car. Drove it on the track and on the road now, and I've enjoyed it both times. So I would definitely recommend this to anyone thinking about a track and road car.